Welcome to Peaches and Cream, y'all. Today we're making strawberry lemon scones. This is a super simple scone recipe. It turns out really moist and delicious every time. You'll just need 2 cups, that's 260 grams of regular all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons, that's 80 grams of sugar, and then just mix that together with a fork. Add the zest of 2 lemons and 1½ cups, that's 220 grams of chopped fresh strawberries. Just mix this together, make sure that the strawberries are completely coated in the flour mixture. Now in a small bowl, combine 3/4 cup, that's 165 milliliters of heavy whipping cream and 1 egg. Just mix them together until they're really smooth, add them to the dry mixture and mix just until combined. Flour your countertop, dump the dough out on the counter. The dough will be really crumbly. You're going to knead it very gently about 10 times just to make sure it's completely mixed together. Then we're going to divide the dough into 2 pieces and just roll out 1 disc at a time. Pat the dough out to about 1 inch thickness and then just cut your scones out with a pizza cutter or a knife, or you can use biscuit cutters if you prefer. I'm placing the scones on a parchment-lined baking sheet just to make sure that they don't stick to the pan and they don't over-brown. Bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes or until they're very light golden brown. Brush them with melted butter. This recipe will make about 16 scones depending on the size that you make them. It's important not to over-bake these because they will become really dry if you do. So I like to make a little lemon glaze to put over the top of these scones. It is optional, but it does make them really delicious. It's simply 1 cup of powdered sugar and the juice of 1 lemon. I'm making half a recipe because I'm only using glaze for some of the scones. What I love so much about this recipe is how moist and soft the scones turn out. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.